I think I'll start with the name itself. Paul Calde. Paul is my nickname, and Calde is the one who discovered the coffee in Ethiopia. It's Calde Herder. Um, let's go back in 2021. So 2021 is kasagsagan ng pandemic,
Mm,
and one of the town there is most of the local farmers is mga senior citizen. So they're not allowed to go at that time. And one of the biggest company na namimili ng coffee beans nila, yung raw coffee beans, when you say raw coffee beans, hindi pa siya na-roast. So, um, and merong bumibili pero in a barat way. Regardless of the quality
mm,
na coffee na produce nila, still the price is still the same. So what I did, I posted the green coffee beans online. That is in Marketplace, Facebook. My first shipment is in Cebu, Marikina, and Quezon City. So that is approximately half a ton. So that is where nanganak si Paul Caldes locally sourced coffee beans, supplying coffee beans in Cebu, Marikina, and Quezon City. Until such time, yung demand, lumaki yung demand. They're asking me na meron ba akong roast beans. So what I did, I asked the elders what is roast coffee beans? In our own dialect in Ilonggo is sanlag na kape
tanlag,
sa Kalaha.